And we could have a good one here.
There's another one of the newcomers, Francisco Calvo. We are underway in San Jose. Earthquakes and New York Red Bulls. Cade Cowell keeping his feet despite the challenge there from Amaya. Espinoza putting the shot on, a knuckler. This will drop to Montero. Super draft by FC Cincinnati. One drops, and Marcinkowski is there.
Because he could not have seen this until late. It drops to the ground, and I think it's Nealis that gets a foot onto it, and there's not much time at all for JT to react, and just caught it between his legs.
He to get on the other end of this one. Ed, back post. Marcinkowski was there. It's fans expect from set pieces early in the season. I know, obviously, they work on it regularly. It's Klimala playing it forward. Fernandez putting the shot on, and it's sent over the bar, but deflected. Long throw. There's the shot. And I think maybe JT got a fingertip on it.
Once again, it comes from just not being in command of that penalty area, clearing those lines effectively enough, and it turns out to be another half chance around that penalty spot this time for Klimala. It's a decent strike on goal, and it's a very good save.
Nice work by Yearwood.
Numbers.
Tolkien moving in. And Marcinkowski came out, forcing Tolkien.
He's done so well here, JT, to read this and just put Tolkien under pressure. Too many missed tackles, too many missed assignments in that midfield and defensive three. Ends up with one-on-one with JT, and he's brave and he comes out quick. And that's why John Tolkien was unable to put the ball over him into the net.
Tolkien already in his third season. Klimala trying to stay onside here. Fernandez. Yearwood. Wide for Morgan. Near post. Sliding on his knees to turn that one aside. JT Marcinkowski.
Looking very strong in that area and winning the ball in good spaces, and he's triggering this counter-attack. Fed nicely by Kamala out to Lewis Morgan, whose name we haven't really called that much so far.
This one falls to Remedi.
Yearwood again, he's put a lot of work in that midfield here, and he's a strong young boy.
Fernandez, Morgan, trying to cross it in front. And that's a New York Red Bulls goal. In first half stoppage time.
Starts in the midfield again with the hard work of Drew Yearwood to win the ball back from a midfield player of the Earthquakes, fed out to Lewis Morgan, who has the time to pick out their leading goal scorer in Patrick Klimala, and the Polish international slotted past JT. Disappointing way for the first half to finish for the Quakes.
8 goals a year ago gets things started. The season opener on the road.
They have to be a lot more clinical when they get the chances.
Underway second half. Red Bulls with the advantage on a late first half goal from Klimala. First of the year. Tolkien playing it forward. So when Marcinkowski comes out, this one sent wide of the post. And now it's JT coming out, and he covers it. But Yearwood trying to put this one in, and it's over the bar.
Have a plan going into the second half, and at the moment they're sitting and they're looking to try and transition.
Tolkien, this is Clark, and sliding in front. Calvo to save the day. Quakes on their heels right now. And Marcinkowski. Can the Quakes pick up the equalizer here? Espinoza. That one whipped in! A header! Goal! San Jose! Can they pick up the equalizer? You betcha! It's 1-1.
It comes from the smallest guy on the field. It comes from Chofis. He came from deep. He's not offside. The flick comes in. He goes past the diving Coronel. And that time the Quakes getting right on the set piece. And this thing is tied up.
12 goals a year ago.
And to me, guys, it looks like Drew Fisher might be holding this up because to me it looks like Francisco Calvo could have been in that offside position. I don't think he affects this play.
Earthquake side. It's even woken up New York a little bit. Frankie Amaya chipping forward. Fernandez with Jackson Ewell calling for the offside. There's the shot! And the New York Red Bulls back on top.
This game just became too open. Yes, this goal goes through, I believe, underneath JT Marcinkowski. He can certainly do a lot better with that, but Red Bull are getting too many half chances and good opportunities. And after the goal by Chofis, and they got themselves right back in this game.
Omir Fernandez, the Bronx native, 3 goals a year ago. Chofis carrying it through, and down he goes.
That's a foul.
But no foul given. In the 69th minute for San Jose, Espinoza picking up the assist. And then the goal from Fernandez. And here's Caden Clark sliding it forward. Out comes Marcinkowski. And underneath him, goal for the New York Red Bulls. 3-1.
Just not had the answer for when the New York Red Bull transition after winning the ball in good areas. They move the ball quickly. They have the energy to get players into attack, into good positions. And it's Tom Barlow who just slides the ball underneath JT Marcinkowski and puts this game over and put it to bed. Nice little assist by Caden Clark to find Barlow.
Red Bulls player down. Tommy Thompson will go on for a corner. George Chofis again winds it back in. And that'll do it. Drew Fisher signaling the end of this one.